What's up everyone? Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Preeti Rao and I am both a real estate and a mortgage broker for close to 20 years. Today, we're already in the second month of 2023 and tax season is just around the corner. Now, there have been some changes to the registered saving options available to us. And in this video, I'm going to break down the important tax changes for 2023 that Canadians need to know about. But first, you know the drill. Make sure to like, share, tap that bell icon, hit the subscription button. It gets me motivated to keep you up to date with everything real estate. 2023 is going to be a very challenging year for a lot of people, with the highest inflation we've ever since the late 80s and the record-breaking interest rate increases over a period of time. So the government decided to do their bit and make a bunch of changes to the tax programs for Canadians. Thankfully, most of these tax changes I'm about to discuss are going to somewhat help Canadians save their money and pay less in taxes. So our first important tax update is an increase to the annual maximum RRSP contribution limit. So as you are already aware, the RRSP, or the Registered Retirement Saving Plan, is a savings plan that is registered with the Canadian government. It's designed to help Canadians save up for the retirement, where you can contribute cash or investments into your RRSP account and receive a personal tax deduction. This deduction reduces the amount of personal taxes payable, which often shows up like a refund on your tax return. Your funds are only taxed when you withdraw them from your RRSP account. Now, that part of the RRSP has not changed. What's changed is the contribution dollar amount. So each year, Canadian residents build up an RRSP contribution room of up to 18% of their income. Now, till 2022, the maximum annual contribution in dollars was $29,210. But in 2023, that annual limit has now increased. So the maximum you can contribute has gone up by $1,570, which takes it to $30,780, which is great news for those people who make more than $165,000 a year. Next up, we have an increase in our annual TFSA. Now, TFSAs are investment accounts made available by the federal government to Canadians 18 years or older. A TFSA is a little bit different from an RRSP. With TFSAs, you can contribute cash or investments with the idea of investing or building your own savings. Your investments can grow tax-free inside the TFSA. But unlike an RRSP, there's no tax deduction when you contribute to your TFSA. However, funds are not taxed when you withdraw them from the TFSA either. TFSAs are designed for more short-term savings compared to an RRSP that's designed for retirement. Now, in 2022, the annual contribution limit was a max of $6,000 per year. The change in this program is a contribution limit in 2023 has increased by $500, taking it to $6,500 annually. Now, one of the most interesting tax changes coming in 2023 is the introduction of the First Home Savings Account, or the FHSA, that was designed to help Canadians save up for the purchase of their very first home. The FHSA is a tax-sheltered account with similarities to the TFSA and the RRSP. So similar to the TFSA, the funds that you invest in the FHSA can be invested and allowed to grow tax-free. On top of that, the funds that are contributed will create a tax deduction on your personal taxes, similar to the way the RRSP works. When you're ready to purchase an eligible home, you'll be able to withdraw the funds tax-free to make your purchase. The FHSA was first announced in the 2022 federal budget and is expected to be implemented sometime in the early of 2023. What we know so far is that the FHSA will have a lifetime contribution limit of $40,000 and an annual limit of $8,000. So if you open the FHSA in 2023, you'll be able to contribute up to $8,000 during the year and receive a deduction on your taxes. If you contribute $8,000 each year for 5 years, you will have maxed out your lifetime contribution room of $40,000. So if you open an FHSA in 2023 and only contribute, let's say, $3,000, you'll be able to carry forward the $5,000 of unused contribution room to the next year, which is 2024. You can contribute the unused $5,000 plus your current $8,000 to a total contribution of $13,000 in 2024. So really, this is actually the best of both worlds. when you compare it to the TFSA and the RRSP. Now, I would always advise you to speak to your accountant before opening this account because the rules are not confirmed yet. And if you want to get an in-depth idea on how all these programs work individually, go check out my previous videos. I have done one on the RRSP, I have done one on TFSA, there's also one on the FHSA. So if you have questions or want clarifications, please do not hesitate to call me. If you don't know who I am yet, just go check out my ratings on Google and read my client reviews. Till then, take care, and if you found value or like this video and would like to see more content, click on the boxes on the screen. Once again, my name is Preeti Rao. My contact information is in the description box below. Make sure to hit like, share, subscribe and the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to call me because I hold the key that opens the door to your dream home.